Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. My name is Vidara and you're watching the Lulu Mallu. So this is one of the most requested video of mine. Like most of my juniors and who attempted UCUT have been asking me to do this video. So finally I'm doing this now. It's like a college campus tour. I will be showing you what is VCW and how it's looks. So let's see. Join with us. I have someone like from Kerala itself, so I'm welcoming someone. This is my senior. Her name is Anamika, and she is from Kerala, and she just joined to our college, and she having explored the college much. So this will be an opportunity for all her also. So basically, this is our administrative block where all the administrative works as well as the admission. As of now, the admission process has been going on. So all those processes done here. And you can find help decks regarding scholarship as well as everything regarding to your academics will be sorted out here. So you can inquire here. They will be helping you out. It's a good thing. Right next to administrative block, we are having a psychology department as well as home science department and so on. I'm not having much idea about which all departments are there. Still. So up next is the academic building. So basically we are having 5 blocks in which classes are going on for arts, social science and BCom as well. So it's not possible for me to show the whole campus obviously. So I will be showing 1 or 2 classes for reference. Campus is basically a green campus and it's situated just in the banks of River Ganga, which is really awesome. And during summer also we can just chill in. Our campus is having a lot of hangout spots in which we can chill in during our interval with our friends, and they are providing us with a lot of open air classrooms, which is really peaceful in this summer. Lawn in here, but at the moment the construction is going on, so it's a total mess at the moment. Still, I hope it will be reconstructed soon. We are having kind of a garden thing here in which we can just relax more. At the moment the construction and everything is going on, so it will be done by within a month I guess. So but when you guys will be coming, it will be all done. Hopefully. So see, open air classrooms here. So basically, this is the campus we are having, and we are having more facilities like gym, and we are having an auditorium hall, and we are having different department, painting department, geography department. A lot of departments are here. You can just check on that. Basically, after all that, we are having our geography department in this building, and it's as well. I'm not sure. And in front of us, we can see the beautiful view of Ganga. So after geography department, we are having our English as well as painting department in this block. So let's see some. I'm not sure if we will be able to get inside the painting department, but let's see. We will ask him for the permission. So right next to English department, we are having other department as well. I'm not having much idea about which all department we are having, but we are having a lot. And I want to clarify this: BCW BHU is not having any science courses, as you know, but still I'm mentioning for those who don't know. Science courses are only available in FMC. Here we are having art, social science, BCom, commerce, all that kind of courses. So let's see. So this is our auditorium hall, which is kind of spacious, not that spacious, but all of the cultural activities as well as programs is being held here. And the AHC department is also just about this side, yes, in the second floor of this building. So let's go. I'm not sure if I will be able to show you the gym because we are having restrictions there. Still, I will be trying to show that. So okay. आराम से आ जाओ. We are going to get inside our gym. It is not that equipped, but it is kind of equipped for basic exercises and workouts and also. So because of some restrictions, I couldn't show you that much of our gym, but still I kind of showed you something. So basically this is our staff room in which all the teaching staff and everyone will be there. Teachers will be available for you during the academic time. So as we go ahead of our administrative block, we are having psychology department and we are having geography department as well. And the view in here is so cool and it is really peaceful in here. The shades are here, open air classrooms are here. It is one of my favorite sports in here. So see, and we are having a lot of medicinal plants and all other stuff in here. They are growing it up. It's a good thing to do, I guess. It's peaceful in here. So college life is not all about studies. So we are having a lot of sports to hang out and like places to chill in. Like we are having a college canteen and like some other sports in which you can hang out with your friends. So let's explore more with this. At the moment it will be a bit crowded, so I am not sure if I will be able to show the whole stuff to you. Still I will be trying. We can buy whatever things which is needed for our studies. So let's go and see. भैया जी हाय बोलो. So as we enter from the main gate, on our right side we are having a fruit stall. So our college provides a variety of extracurricular activities such as basketball, badminton, taekwondo, and here is the place where we practice all this stuff. So-called court. I'm going to enter. So first of all, congrats to all those who got into VCW, and I welcome you all to this campus. And if you are having any queries or if you are having any problem regarding your admission, I'm for the CUT students who just applied. You can feel free to reach out to me if you are having any problems, or if you have any problem with your admissions, feel free to leave a comment in the comment section. I would be pleased and loud to help you out. All. See you soon. Okay, so that's a wrap. I hope this video is helpful for you. And if you are having any queries or need any more information regarding VCW or like newly allotted students, if you have any doubts, just please leave them on the comment section below. Hope to meet you guys soon. So don't forget to like, share and subscribe. See you soon on the next video. Bye bye.